Over 260,000 users have downloaded Dora, Find Real Companionship, with around 130,000 of those downloads occurring in just the last 30 days. That's a significant number of people seeking meaningful connections. Naturally, I decided to explore what this app truly offers. Dora presents itself as a dating app thoughtfully created for a wide age range, focused on fostering genuine relationships in a respectful and user-friendly environment. The concept is to connect with people who share your values in a low-pressure setting, allowing friendships or romances to develop organically. The app highlights personality-driven profiles over just photos and promises straightforward, authentic conversations. In theory, you can browse comfortably, see who's interested, and choose whom to engage with. On paper, it sounds like a refreshing alternative in the often superficial world of online dating. However, the actual user experience tells a different story. Despite the welcoming premise, a large portion of user feedback reveals troubling patterns, including reports of numerous fake profiles, suspected AI bots, and a heavily monetized messaging system that feels more like a scheme than a sincere platform for connection. Given the overwhelming user reviews pointing to these issuous fake profiles, automated interactions, and a paywalled communication structure that resembles a scam, my clear recommendation is to avoid downloading Dora, Find Real Companionship. The app, in its current state, does not deliver the authentic, respectful experience it promises.